In this video, I'll go over the two variations of project number 4 from chapter 6 of my book, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to the 555 Timer. This is not meant to be an instructional video, but as a reference to check that your completed circuit is working as intended. Project 4. After sliding switch number 1 to its on position, LED 1 should be flashing at about 15 Hz, and LED 2 should be flashing at a slower rate, about 3 Hz. This means the monostable 555 is configured as a divide by 5 frequency divider. Project 4A. After removing LED 1, switching out LED 2 for a speaker, and replacing the timing resistors and capacitors with the suggested values, you should now hear a tone of around 500 Hz, which is half the rate of the A-stable 555 timer, meaning the monostable 555 is now a divide by 2 frequency divider. If this video has made you curious about the 555 timer, and if you don't already own my book, please click the link to purchase it. Also, be sure to check out my other 555 timer videos in the playlist. Thanks for watching.